Welcome you all. I am Sugandhi, Department of Chemistry, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to give a lecture on conservation of natural resources from the title Natural Resources. Course outcomes. After successful completion of the module, students should be able to apply the environmental concept for conservation and protection of natural resources. That means the students should be able to understand the conservation of natural resources and sustainability. Role of individual conservation of natural resources. Due to advancement in technology and population growth, the present world is facing a lot of problems on degradation of natural resources. So, individual must understand the importance and conservation of natural resources. First, conservation of energy. Switch off lights, fan and other appliances when not in use. Using energy efficient CFL bulbs. Use solar heater for cooking your food on sunny days, which will cut down our LPG expenses. Dry the clothes in sunlight instead of dryers. Grow trees near the houses and get a cool breeze and shade. This will cut off our electricity charges on AC and refrigerator. Use always pressure cooker. Ride bicycle or just walk instead of using car and scooter. Next, conservation of water. Use minimum water for all domestic purposes. Check the water leaks in pipes and toilets and repair them promptly. Reuse the soapy water after washing clothes for washing of the courtyards, driveways, etc. Use drip irrigation to improve irrigation efficiency and reduce evaporation. The wasted water coming out from kitchen, bathtub can be used for watering the plants. Build rainwater harvesting system in our house. Next, conservation of soil. Grow different types of plants, herbs, trees, and grass in our garden and open areas, which bind the soil and its erosion. While constructing house, don't uproot the trees as far as possible. Plant useful trees in owned lands, wastelands, and community lands. Adopt drip irrigation to cut down water use for agriculture. Use biofertilizer and organic manure and biopesticides. Use mixed cropping so that some specific soil nutrients will not get depleted. Conservation of food. Don't waste the food. Instead, give it to someone before getting spoiled. Avoid overeating. Don't store large amounts of food grains and protect them from damaging insects. Next, conservation of forest. Minimize the use of timber, paper, and fuel wood. Avoid the developmental projects like dam construction, road, power projects in the forest area. Plant more number of trees and protect them. Grazing, fishing must be controlled. Generally, we reduce the growth of population by implementing family planning programs. Possible university questions. Organize the various role of individual in conservation of natural resources. Thank you for watching.